Hi guys, welcome back to our channel BPA Coder. If you are new to the channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPA Coder. Today in this video we are going to see how to create a column stack chart in VBA Excel. So to create a column stack chart in VBA Excel, we have the data on the screen. So this is the sample data from which we are going to create a column stack chart in VBA Excel. First we are going to see the output of a chart, and then we will be having a deep explanation and the understanding about a code which has to be written in the VBA editor in VBA Excel to create a column stack chart in VBA Excel. So let's get started and let's see the output of our code first. So as you can see on the screen that this will be our output of our code, and now we will be having a deep understanding and the explanation about our code inside our VBA editor in Excel. So let's see the VBA editor first. So as you can see on the screen that this is our VBA editor, and this is the sub procedure which I have created to create a column stack chart in VBA Excel. So what we are going to do is we are going to see this entire block of code or lines of code which will help us to create a column stack chart in VBA Excel. Now let's see what are they. First, what we are going to do is we are going to select a single cell inside our data. So as you can see, this is our data and we have selected a single cell inside our data. Once you have selected a single cell using range, then your cell name and then dot select over here. In the next line, what we are going to do is we are going to type active sheet dot shapes dot add chart 2, and inside the brackets we are going to give some parameters which will be separated by a comma. So let's see what are the parameters which has to be given to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So the first parameter which we are going to give is the chart value. So for this video our chart value is 2. After separating it by a comma, we are going to give the another parameter which is the chart type. So we have to also mention that what type of chart we are trying to build in VBA Excel. So for this video we are trying to build a column stack chart in VBA Excel. So in VBA, the method of writing the chart type is a bit different. What we are going to write over here, what we are going to type over here is we are going to type Excel column stacked will be our chart type. So once you have given your chart type, after that we are going to mention our top, left and width parameters to position and size our chart. Once you have given these parameters, what we are going to do is we are going to close the bracket and then we are going to type dot select outside the bracket. Once you have written this line of code, what will happen is your column stack chart will be created. But wait, the chart will be created, so only the chart will be created and there will no data table or your data will not be labeled properly, etc. So make it more presentable, what we are going to do is we are going to use this with block of code. So to make it more presentable, let's see how we can use this with block of code in VBA. Now let's see what this does is, now as you can see we have created our chart and selected our chart over here, so it becomes our active chart once selected. Now we are going to type with active chart, which means we are going to do some actions and we are going to perform some actions with our active chart. Now after writing with active chart, in the next line what we are going to do is we are going to type dot has title equals to true. Once you have written this line of code, what will happen is your VBA code understands that your chart has a chart title and you're going to do some thing with your chart title. Now let's see how we can specify a particular chart title for our chart. So to specify a single, or you can say specify a particular chart title for our chart, we are going to type in the next line dot chart title dot text equals to, and in the double inverted comma you can give the chart title as per your data, as per your convenience. So for this video I have given column stacked chart in VBA Excel. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to set some elements inside our chart to make it more presentable. Once we have assigned a chart title, now we are going to show the data labels. As you can see, each and every data over here, or the data point over here, is labeled. Now let's see how we can achieve this. So we are going to type dot set element in the next line, and beside that we are going to type in the brackets MSO element data label show. Once you have written this line of code, your data label will be appearing inside your column stack chart over here. So it will be shown, each and every data label will be labeled, data point will be labeled and shown. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to remove the grid lines from our chart to make it more presentable. So to remove the grid lines from our chart, in the next line we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element primary value grid lines none. Once you have written this line of code, your grid lines will be removed. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to create this table. As you can see over here, we are going to create this table inside our chart. Now let's see how we can do that. In the next line, we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element data table with legend keys. Once you have written this line of code, your data table with the legend keys will be created. And then last but not the least, what we are going to do is, as you can see, we have the data label shown over here and the data table shown over here. So we don't require the access value, or we can say value access over here. So to delete the value access, you can type dot access, and inside the bracket you can type dot, not inside the brackets. And in the next line, what you can do is you can type dot access, and inside the brackets you can type Excel value, and outside the bracket you can type dot delete. Once you've written this line of code, your value access will be deleted, and then in the next line you can type end with. Now congratulations, you have learned how to create a column stack chart in VBA Excel. Now if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. And if you have any doubts and suggestions, please do comment in the comment box. As well as one more thing, as you can see that we have selected our chart while creating it. So to deselect our chart, what we have to do is we have to select any single cell or single empty cell inside the worksheet. So as you can see, I have selected I4 as my single empty cell to deselect my chart by using range I4.select. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Till then, have a great day from BPO Coder. Bye.